License and registration, please.
Sorry?
Didn't you see the f***ing speed limit, motherfucker?
Where's going the limit? Hello everybody and welcome to my new video of Airsoft. Today I present to you my oldest clip on my computer, alright? It's like clip from 2023, alright? We are on the end of the summer of 2023. Just a compilation of me playing fucking Airsoft. If you love it, like and subscribe and you know the shit. Tactical jump! Oh yes! Oh! Scarek. Oh, bro! Oh, what the hell?
C'est pas son rapport, mais... Ah, oui, c'est ça.
Yeah, boy. Carl? Désolé, man. Hit. Nice shot, man. Stop. Nice work, man.
Bro, what are you talking about, man? I'm fast as fuck, boy!
Good aim. Oh my god.
Yeah, good on, bro.
Reload! Hit! Tarkov be like.
Let's go, man! Hey, come on! Let's do it! On se pose pas la question. Oh!
Hey man, ça va, je suis avec toi. Non, c'est pas vrai, tac!
Attention à gauche, attention à gauche, attention à gauche. Bouge pas, bouge pas. Reload, reload. Mais je vois rien. Oh oui, j'en vois un, j'en vois un. Hit! Nice try, les boys. Yo, good shit. Good shit. Ah ouais, pique, pique! Ah, hit. Nice shot. Shout to it. Ah, il est cool le chargeur à terre.
C'est à moi.
Tu veux que je te le range dans une pouch? Bouge pas. Yeah, check. Hey mon bro. Peux-tu te baisser à terre? Ouais, baisse-toi à terre.
À gauche, là, dans la sortie, là. À gauche, il y en a un au moins. Ouais.
T'es hit, big, t'es hit. Let's go, thanks man.
And you see, I see my younger self play this game, and I know I did something wrong here. In a game of Airsoft, you have no right to say to other, oh, you are hit, you are hit. Eventually, if you are sure, because you ruin the gameplay, alright? If you pause the moment just to say to the other player, oh, you are hit, you should call, and you are not, no. It's crap the game, guys. I'm just gonna show you another example, cringe moment, just for the fun.
Allez les boys, callez-vous hit. Désolé. Call-toi hit. C'est beau. Désolé.
Je comprenais pas.
Sinon, vous autres, votre journée, boys, aimez-vous ça, là, ça? Yeah. Yes, sir. Ça, c'est cool.
Yeah.
Ben, tu m'as-tu pogné?
C'est toi encore les hitmen. Je pense que j'ai vu sur ton bras.
T'es big, pour être sincère, j'ai absolument rien senti. Je suis vraiment désolé, mais j'ai pas été touché. Mais par contre, tu me surprends en... Avancez! Avancez! Venga, vagos, venga! Big, tu te sais pas ou quoi?
Oui, il y a la balle, elle a frappé dans le genre. Là. Je l'ai vu.
Tiens-moi donc dessus!
Là, il y a rien.
Big! Parce que... Bon, là, tu m'as tiré dessus, mais Big, pour vrai, tu...
J'ai vu la balle, j'ai vu la
C'est correct, je vais le caller. C'est correct, c'est correct.
And you see, in that example, I have just shoot the other guy. I was having no reason to like watch him try to shoot me while his pistol didn't shoot. You know? So, in Airsoft, I think the best is just to call your hits. But it's not your job to try to investigate and say, oh, I think... No, you just pause the gameplay and you shit everything. All thing we need in this sport to have fun, it's just to be fair play. Everybody play fair and we all gonna have fun game. Okay, this is the last game, last clip.
On est parti!
So yeah, this is the end of the video now. What you gonna do? You want to see more video of me doing crazy shit on Airsoft and gameplay? Follow this channel, like and subscribe, and oh, sometime I'm gonna do a future live stream on Twitch and YouTube, yeah. So follow to have the notification. Thank you, and have a great day.